What's up guys, this is Niaz. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Focus Assist and what is Focus Assist. Focus Assist is the part of Windows 10 April 2018 update. Focus Assist feature is a do not disturb mode that hides notification. Windows automatically activate it when you are playing PC game or mirroring your display, and you can have Windows automatically activate it on a schedule too. Focus Assist replaces the quiet hours feature included with previous version of Windows 10 and is much more powerful and configurable. Now you can make this selection right in the Settings app, System, Focus Assist, enable priority only or alarm only. Now come to automatically roles. Here you can see during this time when I am duplicating my display, when I am playing a game. You can check any of them or you can turn off any of them. If I want to change this duration this time, I can change it, start time, end time. If I click on start time, I can set my start time. For example, at 9, okay, 5 start to 10 p.m. So repeatedly, okay, you can set as weekends, weekdays, yes. And now you can see this all off or on. So now this is enabled. When I'm playing any game, okay, when I'm mirroring my display to another PC, it automatically hides any notification. I hope you understand this video and I hope you like and subscribe my video. If you have any question or any suggestion, feel free ask in the comment section below. I am your supervisor. Thanks for watching.